Hello everyone, welcome to our next topic. In this topic, we'll see how to create sales entry in Tally Prime. So, object and focus area, how to create sales entry. As in previous video, we've already created a company, stocks, purchase against purchase orders, and payment. In this video, we'll see how to do the sales entry. Okay, we already done the sales order in previous video. So now we will do the sales against sales order. So let's move into the Teleprime. Go to the voucher. In voucher, click F8 for sales. F8. Again, it will be on 2nd April. First Nikita store. Now we have to create a sales ledger or C. Now create the sales account. Save. First item is fan. Second item is LED bulb. Save. Next, sales entry for Shanti. Table fan. And next item is cooler. Save the entry. Where you can see the sales entry display. In a day book you can see the sales entry. Okay. Or simply on account book, sales register. As you can see the sales entry. Okay. So I hope you have understand how to do the sales entry in Tally. In next video, we'll see how to receive the payment against the sale. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, you can email us info@skillanything.com or contact in this number. Thank you so much.